Click on the link below to get price. The Electric Embroidery Machine with a 7-inch LCD touch display is designed for hobbyists and professionals alike who seek to elevate their crafting experience. This machine combines modern technology with user-friendly features, making it a versatile addition to any sewing room. At first glance, the machine is equipped with a sizable 7-inch LCD touch display, which serves as the control center. This intuitive screen allows users to navigate through various settings and options with ease. The interface is organized and responsive, providing a straightforward approach to selecting designs, adjusting settings, and monitoring the embroidery process. The clarity of the display helps in accurately viewing the selected designs, thereby enhancing the overall experience. One of the standout features of this embroidery machine is its generous embroidery area of 4 inches by 4 inches. This size is suitable for a range of projects, from small patches and monogramming to larger designs. The machine comes preloaded with a variety of embroidery patterns and fonts, offering a good starting point for users to explore their creativity. Additionally, the capability to upload custom designs via USB provides further flexibility for those looking to personalize their projects. The machine operates quietly, which is a significant advantage for those who prefer to work in a peaceful environment. It has several built-in stitches and customizable settings, allowing for adjustments such as stitch length and tension. The automatic needle threader is another practical feature, streamlining the setup process and reducing frustration, particularly for beginners. In terms of usage, the electric embroidery machine is relatively user-friendly. Beginners may find the included manual helpful as it provides detailed instructions on how to set up the machine, troubleshoot common issues, and utilize the various functions. More experienced users may appreciate the advanced features that allow for greater creative expression. In conclusion, the electric embroidery machine with a 7-inch LCD touch display presents a balance of practicality and advanced features, catering to a diverse audience of embroiderers. Whether one is just starting out or seeking a reliable machine for more complex projects, this model offers the potential for a rewarding crafting experience. Its combination of user-friendly technology and ample design options makes it a noteworthy choice in the realm of computerized embroidery machines.